Welcome to my honest review of Zolve, a credit builder card designed to help you build or improve your credit score. If you're looking to boost your credit, Zolve makes the process simple and accessible. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of the Zolve card, how to apply for it, and my personal experience using it. First, let's start with the basics. Zolve offers a credit card specifically for people who are looking to either establish their credit or rebuild it. The application process is straightforward, and one of the standout features is that it doesn't require a credit score to apply. This makes it an excellent choice for people who are new to credit or have a less than ideal score. Once you apply for the Zolve card, you'll get access to a virtual card almost immediately, which is convenient for online purchases. You can also request a physical card to use in-store. The card comes with a credit limit, which is initially set based on your deposit amount, making it a secured credit card. Zolve helps you build your credit by reporting your activity to the major credit bureaus. So, if you use the card responsibly, paying on time and maintaining a low balance, you should see your credit score improve over time. The app itself is very user-friendly, with easy-to-read charts and notifications to keep track of your spending. I was impressed with how well-organized everything was, from payment reminders to understanding your credit usage. This kind of transparency is key when it comes to managing your credit and seeing improvements. Another benefit is that Zolve doesn't charge an annual fee, which is a nice perk compared to other credit building cards that do. There are also no foreign transaction fees, which can be a big advantage if you travel a lot. On the downside, the interest rates are relatively high, which is typical for credit cards in the secured category. So, it's important to make sure you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid those high interest charges. One thing I really like about Zolve is their customer service. They offer 24/7 support through the app, and I found their responses quick and helpful when I had questions. This is something you don't always get with other credit card companies, and it adds an extra layer of confidence when using the card. Now, let's talk about how Zolve compares to other credit building cards. In terms of features, it's definitely competitive. The lack of an annual fee and the ease of applying without a credit score are big selling points. However, if you're someone who plans to carry a balance, you may want to look at other cards with lower APRs. But for those looking for a no-hassle way to build or repair their credit, Zolve is a solid choice. In conclusion, Zolve offers a user-friendly, effective way to build your credit without the usual hurdles of traditional credit cards. It's a great option for anyone looking to improve their credit score in a manageable, transparent way. If you're in the market for a credit building card, Zolve is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial tips. Let me know your thoughts on Zolve in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences.